Hey, so if you're trying to upload images in Leonardo AI and it's not working, yeah, like the upload fails, gets stuck, or doesn't show anything, that can be really frustrating. In this complete guide, I'll show you how to fix it step by step. First, make sure your internet is stable. I mean, uploads need a strong and steady connection. Next, yeah, refresh the page and try uploading again. I mean, temporary glitches can block uploads. Now, make sure your image is in a supported format like JPG or PNG. I mean, unsupported files won't upload. Yeah, very large images can fail to upload. Try compressing or resizing the file first. Now, session issues can block uploads. Logging out and back in can reset everything. Yeah, corrupted cache can break upload functionality. Clearing cache often fixes it. Now, extensions or ad blockers can interfere with upload scripts. Try turning them off. Yeah, try uploading in incognito mode or a different browser. I mean, this helps rule out browser issues. If nothing works, check if Leonardo AI servers are having issues. I mean, uploads won't work during downtime. So yeah, that's how you fix Leonardo AI upload image not working. Most of the time, it's file format issues, cache problems, or server errors. Try these steps and your uploads should work again. Thanks for watching.